If you've ever filmed a shaky clip and wished you could make it look smoother in just a few clicks, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stabilize video in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can clean up your footage and make it look much more professional. This is a super useful feature whether you're editing vlog footage, screen recordings, travel videos, or any clip that has a little too much movement. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you don't already have one open, launch CapCut and start a new project or open an existing one that contains the video you want to fix. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to add your video to the timeline. You can do this by importing your clip into the media panel and then dragging it down into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is important because CapCut needs the clip on the timeline before you can access the stabilization settings. After your video is on the timeline, click on the video clip to select it. Make sure the correct clip is highlighted, because all of the editing options you apply will affect only the selected video. Now look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its adjustment tools and video settings. In that panel, go to the video section. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see several categories here, but you want the main video settings area. Once you're in the video section, scroll down until you find stabilization. It may be lower in the panel, so take your time and look carefully through the options. When you see stabilization, turn it on. As soon as you enable it, CapCut will begin preparing the clip for stabilization. After that, you'll usually see different stabilization levels to choose from. The exact names may vary a little depending on your version, but commonly you'll see options like recommended, minimum cut, or most stable. If you want a balanced result, recommended is usually a great place to start. If you want to preserve more of the original framing with less cropping, minimum cut can be a better option. And if your footage is extremely shaky and you want the strongest smoothing possible, most stable may give you the best result, although it can sometimes crop or change the look of the frame a little more. Choose the option that fits your footage best. Once you've selected your stabilization level, CapCut will need time to analyze and process the video. This is normal, so don't worry if it takes a moment. The app is scanning the movement in your clip and applying the stabilization effect to smooth out the shake. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. So let the process finish completely before moving on. After the analysis is done, play back your clip to check the results. You should notice the motion looks smoother and more steady, which can make a huge difference in the overall quality of your video. If the result looks too cropped or not stable enough, you can go back and try a different stabilization level until you find the one that works best. And that's how to stabilize video in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. Open your project, add the clip, select it, find stabilization in the video panel, turn it on, pick the right level, and let CapCut do the rest. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.